Okay guys, just open your settings, then scroll up, then select display and brightness, then scroll up, then you can see option of display zoom. Now it is default mode. You can tap on the larger text, and you can also see the difference here. Just set larger text and click zoom, then please wait some time, then press done button. Okay, you must press the done button. Okay, now our phone is in zoomed, that means not in default mode, zoomed mode. So you can see our display got some bigger icons and letters. We are going to turn off that feature like same way, display and brightness, then scroll up, then you can see option of display zoom in larger text. Just tap on default, then click on done, then choose use standard and wait some time, 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, done. Then you must click on done for saving that settings like this. Okay, and you can see the comparison. Okay guys, so one of the very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replays as videos so you can easily watch that. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.